Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices required drivers you can download from there. Then you can see this is search button, you just click on that. After that you enter your model number Z790 DAC motherboard, then hit enter. So enter the title of the model number, then click on support. Then select your operating system, which is you using Windows 10 and 11, but both the installation process same. You can select any. You can see this video and install the Windows 10 operating system drivers. VGA driver extract is a real-time VGA driver, and just click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box. It will take some time, so it is completed. Then open. Then double click to exe, the find out name of model. You can see this. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. After that, start downloading. Now this is installing the graphic card. It is closed automatic, means this is installed.